If you would like to invest with the expertise of a professional money manager and reduce your risk with a well-diversified portfolio, then this is the investment you've been looking for. A mutual fund is a special type of company that's in the business of investing in things like stocks and bonds. It's operated by a professional money manager who's in charge of buying and selling investments on behalf of the fund and its owners. You can purchase shares of a mutual fund just like any other publicly traded company. When you do, you essentially own a fraction of all the investments that the mutual fund owns. And because mutual funds own a variety of investments, you automatically get all the benefits of a well-diversified portfolio. There are expenses involved with purchasing and owning shares of a mutual fund, but they tend to be small in comparison to the amount of expertise and diversification you get in return. If you just learned something new, then make that thumbs up button turn blue. And while you're at it, click that red subscribe button too. This has been a Personal Finance Minute. I'm Andrew Shear, and I'll see you next time.